Making a chairside crown? It's simple, fast, and intuitive. With Circle 1, we'll guide you step by step. Start by logging in to Circle 1 to access your workspace. Welcome to the homepage. To create a case, you have two options. Click Create Case available throughout the app, or click Browse Files to select or drag and drop your scans. Here, we'll go with the second option. Once the files are dropped, the case is created automatically, and you're taken straight to the scan step. Take a moment to check your scans in the integrated viewer. Circle 1 accepts STL, PLY, and OBJ files. We highly recommend adding an occlusion scan. It improves the quality of the digital twin. Once everything looks good, move on to the plan step. Start by selecting the type of prosthesis. In this case, a crown. Then click on the appropriate tooth. Next, click on Material in the right-hand menu to make your selection. Finally, set the crown shade. You're now ready to begin the design. Circle 1 Design automatically generates a crown proposal. In about 40 seconds, the design is ready and you can either adjust it or validate it. Your crown is ready, fully compliant with insertion and manufacturing criteria. The modeling step gives you smart tools to fine-tune the shape and position of the crown. Start by orienting your view along the working axis. Then, use the morphology slider to shift between a standard or customized tooth shape. Once you're satisfied with the design, click Export. Review the summary, then click Generate Files. You are now at the export step. The viewer allows you to view the generated files. Click the Download button to retrieve the zip archive. Make sure to unzip it before sending the files to production. Once your files are downloaded, you'll be redirected to the My Cases page where you can retrieve your treatments. Thank you for watching this Circle 1 tutorial. See you in the next one.